G'day! In today's video I'm going to show you how to Bluetooth pair your Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed. To begin with, make sure you do have the battery installed, which should be, I can get it off, under here. So right now I've got my 2.4 GHz receiver in there, as I don't want to use that. And now I'll put this back on. And what we want to do is to switch it over to Bluetooth mode. Now your PC will require to have Bluetooth for this. You should get a blinking blue light on there. And if we go over to the laptop itself, we want to go into Bluetooth. So I'm going to click on the start bar, type in blue, and I want to go add a device, add a Bluetooth device. And this should come up here, right here. So I'll click, and we should be ready to go. Right now, one mouse, all paired up. It should be as simple as that. Anyway, I hope this helps you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.